What's the meaning of crêpe, Suzette? Crêpe, Suzette. Crêpe, Suzette.
Crêpe Suzette. Crêpe Suzette. Crêpe Suzette is a classic French dessert made of thin pancakes filled with orange butter, caramelized sugar, and flambéed with brandy or Grand Marnier liqueur. The result is a decadent dish that's both sweet and tangy with a slightly crispy texture from the caramelization process. The alcohol used in the flambé imparts a subtle yet distinctive flavor to the dish. It's typically served hot and garnished with orange zest and sometimes whipped cream, making it a delightful treat for anyone with a sweet tooth.